Hi everyone. So I'm doing a bit of an experiment here with preparing my dried hay. And what I'm doing is instead of just soaking it in water, I've taken some, I've basically diluted molasses in my little hose attachment. It's about a tablespoon of molasses in almost a liter of warm water. And I've distributed that solution into my 4 buckets of dry hay material here. And the idea is to wake up any dormant biology that's on the surface of this dried material. As you probably already know, the phyllosphere, so the above ground total surface of a plant, it can host a diverse range of biology. Bacteria are the largest colonizers of the phyllosphere, but there are also fungi, so yeasts specifically. There are protozoa, so you have your amoebas, your flagellates. There are even nematodes and viruses on the surface of the above ground parts of the plant. And we're not just talking about leaves, we're also talking about the stems, the branches, the fruits, the flowers, the seeds, all of the above ground parts of the plant, much like the rhizosphere, so the root system, contain a host of biology that supports the plant in its entire life cycle. So, going back to this little experiment that I'm doing, I just sprayed molasses into these buckets to hopefully get a little bit more activity from this dried material. And to make it a somewhat proper experiment, I am also putting aside another 4 buckets of dried hay and soaking these ones in just water. And then after a few days, I'm going to extract this liquid material and check under the microscope to see if I'm getting more activity from this set of buckets than I am from this set of buckets. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to be building a compost pile with my students on Sunday, and I really want to increase that decomposition activity. It's still a little bit cool outside. The idea is to really get the microbes working even in cool weather.